let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us tango choreography with teaching count. And slow, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and quick and quick, slow, 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 slow and slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and quick and quick, slow, 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 slow and slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same choreography, but in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with 2 tango walks, curve 2 left. We continue with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot, and then basic reverse turn into side chasse. From here we dance Spanish drag. We continue into same foot lunge, and then open reverse turn with lady outside and closed finish. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and start diagonally to wall with 2 walks. We curve and continue diagonally to center with Fallaway reverse slip pivot. Down line of dance we continue with basic reverse turn, chasse into same direction, and Spanish drag. Notice here foot change, so we become on same foot, and again foot change into open reverse turn, moving down line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.